Imagine you wake up at 3 a.m. from a notification from your bank and it says that all of your funds have been wiped out. And that happened due to the 50,000 bill you got from Anthropic API key or Google API key or OpenAI API key. And why did it happen? Because the wipe coded app which you coded last weekend got a security flaw and your API got leaked. Now your API is like your password, and when someone have the API, it can easily wipe out your bank or your credit card. And it is not hypothetical. It has been happening with the real developers. Let me show you some of the news articles here. So this is a really famous tweet. You can see that $6.6 billion famous lovable AI app builder got an API flaw and sensitive data got leaked. Here's another example where in this article, which is from Anthropic 2025 Threat Intelligence Report, reveals that AI is no longer just a tool for defender. It is now a weapon in the hands of cyber criminals. Another example here with the orchids, where they were able to get the access of your computer in exchange of convenience and allowing. Another example of a dating app which hit by a massive data leak. Now, thousands of women's personal data were exposed. This can happen with you as well. Now, there is one possible solution, which is Zapier SDK. And Zapier SDK is going to work like a kill switch in between. So let's say you have a web app and in between you have Zapier SDK where all of your tools are connected. Now, Zapier provides supports to 9,000 plus apps. Jira, Slack, HubSpot, Gmail is few of the examples app which you can connect with Zapier SDK. Now, before diving in more with Zapier SDK, I would like to give you a little bit of context of what is Zapier. So Zapier is basically a leader of AI tools, which is helping developers, agency connecting a lot of different tools. In our agency, where we have a lot of Shopify stores and Shopify merchants, we receive a lot of inquiries using our contact form, which then goes into the Jira, which then goes into Slack, which then goes into the specific channel of that team. Let's say a client is contacting about SEO, then it's going to go to the Slack channel of SEO. And if the client is contacted related to the development, then it is going to the development department. So there are different departments which it will go, and all that is happening with Zapier because we have connected all of our tools using Zapier, and I have created multiple tutorials related to Zapier. You will find link of the playlist in the description, and I am a fan of Zapier, and we have been using Zapier since many years to connect all of the different tools and to streamline our process of automation and AI automation. Just to be clear, before I proceed further, this video is sponsored by Zapier, and you can sign up to Zapier SDK with the free package using the link in the description. Now, I already created a lot of tutorials related to Zapier, where this one is to connect WordPress with Zapier. This one is how you can build AI agent. This is a comparison video, and there are several other tutorials which I have created related to Zapier, and it's a super powerful tool which you can create automations and basically automate everything. And in order to explain Zapier SDK in a much easier manner, I have created a detailed presentation for you guys in order to make you understand in a super simple way. So let's say you coded an app and you mistakenly left your OpenAI API key or Anthropic API key to your web app. Obviously, it is a leak point and you might get a lot of bill, or it can completely drain your bank account. Now, you're developing your dream, you're rapid prototyping, you're automating your code generation, you're accelerating the deployment. But the danger here is that along the way, you might miss the API key, you might left your important financial level credentials, which can access your Stripe account or which can even access your bank account. It is not really safe. So that is the example of the old architecture, where you can see that you have your database connected, you have your AI model connected, you have notification service, email service, payment service provider, and this is your base code app. This is your AI app. Now, imagine you have a kill switch in between. Imagine you have a security layer in between where all of your app is connected using Zapier SDK within your web app or within your vibe coded app. It is gonna give you an extra security layer and offload the authentication layer instead of prompting Claude or Copilot to write risky connections for every individual service which you have connected with your web app. This is another example, which is a secure hub. So the Zapier layer act as a security route. So that is your AI app base code, and this is your Zapier hub where your Stripe account is connected. Let's say this is your maybe Gmail email account, this is your Postgres database, this is your AI model, and this is your AI notification system. All is connected with the Zapier hub, and you can change everything within Zapier SDK very easily. So this is the architectural diagnosis where you have scattered credentials, high impact code breaches if something get failed, hours per API integration, adding apps, break code. And with Zapier SDK, you can basically centralize everything in one single point of control, and it is very easily manageable via drag and drop builder. They have MCP as well, where you can basically manage all of your tools of AI LLM model. Again, we have a safe kill switch in terms of Zapier, so you can simply on and off based on your requirement or if you think your data is flowing out incorrectly. So that is a scenario one where let's say you built an AI food scanner which is telling you about the calories and stuff like that. Here you have your iOS app and your backend API server is connected with Anthropic, with OpenAI, with your email software, with your analytics software, and all is completely juggled, right? And in this scenario, you have API backend server connected with Zapier where you have all of the tools connected. Again, this is another example for a marketing engine where your AI app is connected with Zapier Hub, and then that is sending Slack notification, submitting YouTube shorts, submitting X scheduler, email list provider, and it's generating Claude. It's also transcribing those posts which you are creating for your social media. So this is a safe architecture here where you will have ChatGPT, Claude, or any other LLM model which you want to connect using Zapier SDK, which you can easily swap. So if an AI model become obsolete tomorrow, you can swap the top layer and you don't have to rewrite any single API connection. So that's it for the Zapier SDK, guys. If you want to learn more about the latest AI tools and techniques which are releasing daily basis, make sure to subscribe the channel and let me know in the comments below if this was helpful for you. Until next video, have a great day.